Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it's because you requested a link to witness the proceedings that led up to the team configurations you see on the eBay auctions. What I'm doing here is I put a list of all the teams in. We're going to randomize them, take the top 3 off the list, that'll make up team 1. Eliminate those teams, randomize again, top 3 off the list, make up the second team, and so forth until we got 10 teams with 3. 10 spots rather, with 3 teams each. This will be for a box of SP game used, 11-12. Hoping to get it on eBay here tonight. May not happen till tomorrow afternoon, but let's get on with it then. That was 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. First team is the Dallas Stars, along with the Calgary Flames and the Phoenix Coyotes. Reloading the teams. 1, 2, 3. We have the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chicago Blackhawks, and the Boston Bruins. One time, 2 times, 3 times. Lot 3 is San Jose Sharks, Washington Capitals, and the Nashville Predators. Here we go again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Edmonton Oilers, Florida Panthers, and the New York Islanders. Here we go again. Once, twice, 3 times. Detroit Red Wings, Colorado Avalanche, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Reloading again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Carolina Hurricanes, Buffalo Sabres, and the Anaheim Ducks. This is the seventh lot coming up. Once, twice, 3rd time. York Rangers, Winnipeg Jets, New Jersey Devils. Reload it again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Columbus Blue Jackets, LA Kings, and the Minnesota Wild. Reloaded for the last time. Once, twice, 3 times. Philadelphia Flyers, Ottawa Senators, Tampa Bay Lightning. Which means the teams you see highlighted will be our 10th and final lot. Vancouver, St. Louis, and the Montreal Canadiens. Have a quick look here. These are the way the auctions will be listed. Like I said, hope to get to this right away here this afternoon. Could be as late as tomorrow though. See what I can do for you. Before I forget, in case anyone is wondering, it is 12:45, Friday, November 30th. I'll get these posted as soon as possible, and we'll talk to you again soon.